What's up, Keep It Cleaners all around the world? It's your boy Miguel So Clean with Keep It Clean Carpets and Tile. And remember, clean home equals healthier living. Thorough walkthrough before we start. That way, depending how we're going to tackle the situation, what product we're going to use, always, remember, every fiber is treated different. I can tell you right now that this is going to be a different type of deep clean. Why? Because we're dealing with bird droppings, feathers, and look, there's your black-headed parrot. And another small animal. It's not a cat because I'm not getting the ammonia smell yet. And it's not a dog, but it looks like it's some other kind of, I don't know. But we're going to do what it does. That stain right there, I'm still not familiar what it is. We're going to do what it does. We're going to attack the situation at hand. The chemistry is already ready. And friendly reminder, FYI, bird droppings are a breeding ground for disease-causing parasites, okay? Keep that in perspective. Keep that in mind when you hire the right carpet cleaning company. Bird droppings are a breeding ground for disease-causing parasites, especially in carpet cleaning, okay? Because parasites and bacteria hide in carpets. So the way that we're going to attack this job is completely different. Everything we use is green. We're going to use our ClO2, stable ClO2 with Boostio. That's the combination that we're going to attack it. And then at the very end, we're going to spray, we're going to mist, consume, which is a bioenzymatic cleaning product that cleans deep, dries fast, and eliminates the organic materials that feed bacteria and cause the foul odors. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to leave you with some music. And remember, clean home equals healthier living.